Hi, and welcome to another presentation from your business tutor. Learning your way, anytime, anywhere. Technology has always been a driver of improvement within operations departments. Given that, this presentation will look at operations technology and how it has led to advancements in efficiency and productivity. Okay, so what are we going to learn in this presentation? Well, first of all, we're going to find out how technology is used in the operations department. And then we're going to investigate the costs and benefits of using technology in the operations department. Okay, let's get started by asking, how is technology used in the operations department? One of the main ways in which technology is used in the operations department is during the development of a product. For example, using computer-aided design or CAD software to create products on a computer screen. This can be really useful because design flaws that would result in high levels of waste can be identified and solved digitally before a product goes into production, meaning significant amounts of money will be saved. However, there is a cost involved in purchasing such software, and staff will need to be trained to use it as well. A second way in which technology has transformed operations is in the way products are made. In that computer-aided manufacturing, or CAM, uses software to control robots and machinery that make products. This can be incredibly advantageous, as manufacturing products in this way means that production not only occurs 24/7, but also is carried out very quickly, which increases output. However, even more than that, because robots do not make mistakes, it means wastage is eliminated and quality is maintained. Nevertheless, although computer-aided manufacturing offers a number of significant benefits, it does need to be remembered that the purchase cost and installation of the software, robots and machinery used in production will not be cheap. Moreover, if CAM goes wrong due to a software, robot or equipment fault, it can mean that production has to halt until the problem is resolved, meaning output will be affected. A third area in which technology is used extensively by the operations department is to support inventory management through the use of a computerised stock control system. How they work is that all inventory that arrives from a supplier is scanned into a business's stock database using the barcodes which are attached to the inventory. This information then automatically updates the database so that an accurate record of inventory levels is always maintained. After this, the business can then move stock from its warehouse to the shop floor, where customers can select what they want before going to the tills to pay. Now, at this point, the barcodes attached to the products come into play again, because when they are scanned at the till, an organisation's electronic point-of-sale system connects to the inventory database so that the stock figures can be updated accordingly. After this, the system really comes into its own, because once an inventory level falls to a certain point, an automatic email order will be generated and sent to the relevant supplier requesting additional stock to be delivered. What this all shows, and this is possibly the biggest advantage of such a system, is that by automating everything, the process becomes incredibly efficient and cost effective. In that no time needs to be spent on counting inventory or writing up stock orders. But equally, this also means that no one needs to be employed to undertake these roles either, which saves money. Better yet, because the process is computerised, it means the risk of over or understocking is reduced, as the inventory database only places orders when items are needed. However, although the efficiency of a computerised system may allow a business to run with lower levels of stock, it does need to be remembered that automating systems can cause issues, as such systems are costly and complicated to set up. Moreover, if the programming that operates such a system goes wrong or is set up incorrectly, issues around over and understocking can occur very quickly. In fact, the issue of understocking can also happen because, as computerised inventory control involves no physical count of stock, it means theft can occur more easily, as it is likely to go unnoticed until a business starts to run out of inventory. And lastly, technology can also support the operations department when it comes to the distribution and delivery of inventory. For example, as already mentioned, email or online ordering can be used to request stock from suppliers, which will speed up delivery, meaning a business won't run out of inventory. But better yet, if the supplier provides an online tracking facility, the operations department will know exactly when inventory is arriving, meaning it will be easier to arrange staffing to take delivery, and production schedules will therefore run more smoothly. In fact, if an organisation provides this same facility for its own customers and couples it with drone or driverless vehicle delivery, it won't just improve its customer service, but also cuts its costs as well. In that, customers will receive their item when expected, and no staff will need to be employed to deliver items. However, as is always the case with online technology, if the broadband connection fails, the distribution and delivery of inventory will be thrown into chaos and could result in shortages and dissatisfied customers. Okay, so what did we learn in this presentation? Well, first of all, we found out how technology is used in the operations department, and then we went on to investigate the costs and benefits of using technology in the operations department. Technology has had a hugely influential impact on operations departments and may in fact be the single most important reason behind reductions in manufacturing costs. Given this, it is crucial that organisations embrace new technology in this area, as it often provides the key to competitive advantage.